happiness, and today we're making turkey papillote. Ay, papi. Batonade the zucchinis and the yellow one as well. Chop up the onions and make sure you peel them. I peel great. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Slice up some lemons. Ooh, juicy. Another batonade of carrots. Get some parsley, not cilantro, they look alike. And get some of that garlic. And slice. And peel some carrots. I'm peeling, I'm cutting. Got a turkey because they ran out of chicken over there at the grocery store. Quarantine life. Get parchment paper and fold it in half. Cut it around town. And it looks beautiful like a heart. Pour some olive oil and brush it around too. And put them in your vegetables, your zucchinis, carrots, onions, turkey, salt, pepper, limon, parsley, and fold it back up throughout the whole side so the juice stays in. Toss it in the oven, 35 minutes. Cut it out. Ah, bitch. Carefully around and let the steam come out. And then enjoy. Juicy. How about the zucchini and carrot with the onion? Now that's what I call a papillote. Sayonara, carbonara. JORI MEZUDA.